Welcome to the in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how far this feature is and does it work. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. We can unlock the device just less than in half a second, I think. 2, 1. Yep, that's the really good result. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or PIN codes or patterns. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.